And Bitcoin is set for a huge move. As you can see here, Bitcoin yesterday was breaking out from this key pattern, this triangle pattern, and now we're getting the much anticipated retest. Remember, whenever you break from a pattern like this, you want to retest the top before getting ready for your big move, something like this, before a big move to the upside. We're going to break down exactly what can happen, what are the key levels, and where can we get to on this move. Smash up likes, don't forget to subscribe, check out the links in the description if you want to trade with us. There are some amazing things going on right here. Obviously, yesterday we had the update on Pepe token. The meme craze continues in the crypto market, and that typically is a good foreshadow of liquidity flowing into the market. People are waking up to crypto again, and we're starting to see that in the movement of some meme coins. Of course, here Pepe we've been monitoring over the last week or so has given some really nice returns. Again, pulling back nicely here towards its 4-hourly EMA ribbon. Never chase these candles, wait for the pullbacks if you're going to play with meme coins, and again, only risk what you're willing to lose. Now, coming back into the Bitcoin chart, what is it we're monitoring here? Well, as you can see, we've been in a consolidation pattern, and we have been for quite a while here, consolidating sideways into this triangle. Finally, over the last few set of 4-hourly candles, we broke to the upside. Volume wasn't amazing, okay, but we are getting the retest. Now what we need to watch for is a very important bounce. We want to see a good volume bounce here, followed by a beat of this peak, and that peak, of course, is at 30,000 level, okay? So we need to bounce off of here, push through 30,000, hold above 30,000, and then this breakout is confirmed. And the price target of this breakout, the first price target, will of course be 31,000. That's where we got heavy resistance. Breaking beyond there then activates our much larger target of 33.5k on this measured move. But again, this will set us up for a much bigger move. We know this 30 to 31,000 level on Bitcoin is a huge level of resistance. So managing to break out from here will be a huge feather in the cap for Bitcoin and could signal a big leg up. Now, also worth looking at the EMA ribbon, okay? Here on the 4-hourly, of course, we're sideways. We've not been able to hold our EMA ribbon. But what if we can here? What if we can bounce from this EMA ribbon here, break through 30 and 31, and then we'll own the 4-hourly EMA ribbon? On the daily chart, similarly, what do we have? You can see we now are above our EMA ribbon. But until we get past 30 and until we get past 31, this is not a powerful move. We need to push on here. This needs to happen. Otherwise, the bears are going to start to get confident, because look at the RSI. If we rotate across here, RSI will rotate as well, and then we're in a downtrend. RSI will be trending down, price action will be trending down, and the bears will start to get a good grip. And if the bears get a good grip, look at the weekly EMA ribbon. We're kind of hanging around in no man's land right now, right? We never came back. Once we broke above our weekly EMA ribbon, we never came back to retest it. We've shown tremendous strength here by the bulls. But if the bears can achieve what they want to achieve on the daily time frame, which I just shared with you, this could be curling down to that 26,000 level, which is the top of the weekly EMA ribbon. So in order to avoid a revisit to 26, 27,000 level and a bit more of a bigger pullback, Bitcoin has to get through 30 on this move right now from that triangle, and it has to get beyond 31 to create that higher high, okay? We need to break above 31 and get into a bit of price discovery here in this region. And then when you look at that on the weekly chart here, once you clear this cluster, which is what we're battling, what we're battling here is this cluster here, look how quickly the gap will then be filled to the upside, because we fell so quickly all the way from 48,000. We really did dump down all the way down here into that 32 range. So once we clear this cluster of what is now resistance and turn it into support, we could have a nice big move up into the 40s on the next leg up on Bitcoin. If we bring out the VPVR as well, that also gives you a clue about the volume, and you can see we've got a big volume candle here. Once we clear this level of resistance, things will get a little bit easier on the next leg up as we head towards 40. So that's what we're looking out for here on the weekly time frame. If you've made it this far into the video and you someday want to be able to read the markets, do technical analysis, trade as we are doing on this channel, then perhaps you may want to check out my free technical analysis from scratch course over on Skillshare. For those who aren't familiar, Skillshare is an online education platform. You sign up for a nominal amount each month and you get access to a wide variety of different courses. I personally use it to learn all sorts of things, from video editing to financial to using Excel and various other bits and pieces that you may want to learn. It's far better than YouTube on those elements, because on YouTube, everything is about retention, whereas with a course, you can put things in a structured curriculum, and that is exactly what I've done with my TA course. It's completely free for the first 30 days. If you click the link in the description, ijaz.uk/TA, to take advantage of the TA course. Let me know what you think about it, and let's get back into this video. Now, given the recent hype and momentum behind meme coins, a lot of you guys have been asking me to tell you if I'm looking at any other meme coins. Now, before I do that, I need to understand that you are all grown-ups. You're all grown-ups, you have your portfolio in order, and any social meme coins you're going to be investing in are only with a tiny bit of your portfolio. Maybe you decide not to buy those trainers, or that fancy lunch out, or that dinner, or that concert ticket, and instead, maybe you put it in some social coins. That's okay, but you do not go taking out loans or putting your life savings into any crypto, let alone these social coins. Okay, so one thing I'm looking for, of course, we did call Pepe brilliantly here over the last week, so shout out to you guys who traded that. If you want to trade this, you can do so using now Bybit, Binance, or MEXC. Links are in the description. Also, another coin I'm looking at is something called Turbo, which is starting to get some good hype on social media. Now remember, with these social coins, it's exactly that. It's social. It's not about technical levels. It's not about your fundamentals. It's not about the roadmap. It's about, can you gather a community on social media and create that movement? Can you create that social movement like Dogecoin did, like Shiba did? Now, if you can create utility on top of that, then even better for your project. Okay, so that's what I'm looking out for here. Again, not financial advice. This is crazy. I mean, if you look at the tokenomics, the data on this project, it's very haphazard. Be very careful. This is not anything that's safe. Now, again, if you want to look to see where you can trade it, links in the description. You can buy this on BitGet or MEXC. I'll leave the links in the description if you guys want to jump over there. You can also jump onto their website to take a look. And basically, why this is catching a bit of a pump at the moment and a trend is because it's using ChatGPT-4 as a challenge to create a meme coin. So that's the mission here. You can go read it on their website. But again, I will not be putting a lot in this project whatsoever. If you're going to play it with a tiny amount, and something you're willing to lose. Quick update on Phantom. Getting a lot of people with some negativity on Phantom, which I don't understand why. I mean, of course, with Bitcoin struggling to break key trend levels, all coins are similarly going to be stalling. We are seeing a little bit of stall action here around that 40-cent mark. Nothing to be concerned about. Again, is it a level I really want to be accumulating at? I mean, if I didn't have any Phantom, I would be accumulating, but because we've been so spoiled accumulating at low levels, I probably won't be nibbling just yet. If we do get a deeper pullback into 30 cents, at that point, I'll probably top up a little bit more. Again, I've got to be careful of not allocating too much in my portfolio to Phantom. Apart from that, everything else red in this market currently as Bitcoin pulls back, and also dominance having a little bit of a climb here. So again, very important. We need to watch this dominance movement. If this dominance breaks beyond that peak at 48%, which I think will coincide with Bitcoin breaking above 31K and creating that higher high, we could see a nice big move on dominance here up towards the next level at 52%, which could signal the next Bitcoin-led move. Again, remember, Bitcoin does its thing, breaks through key resistance, i.e. 31, goes for its next leg up, and all coins will lag behind it thereafter. So again, we need to look to Bitcoin for direction. But one thing is for sure, this altcoin craze is definitely a clue. It's definitely a clue that people are starting to wake up to crypto. I always say to you guys, I use the gauge as people in the community, right? Is the Uber driver talking about Pepe token or Bitcoin? Are random people starting to ask you about crypto who didn't really care in the depths of the bear market? That starts to give you a clue that the froth is starting to come back. And when you look at it, you can see finger index continues to be at 60. We are in that greed territory, okay? We are in a little bit of greed territory. Now, of course, it's not super extreme greed, but we are getting there where people are investing in meme coins and money starting to come back into crypto. And eventually, you know how it works, that meme coin money will eventually rotate into proper real projects as people start to realize, okay, I need to build a proper portfolio. And that's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to educate people. If they want to start trading with meme coins, that's absolutely fine. I know some of the best investors in crypto started off trading meme coins, and then they learn about Bitcoin, Ethereum, decentralized, MetaMask, get everything set up. That's okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me what you're doing in the comments below. Are you playing with some meme coins during this boring time in the market while Bitcoin is consolidating? But we could be set for the next leg up. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash all the likes. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out this video here, and I'll see you in the next one.